Hi guys, you're warmly welcome to a new episode on Mom's Buffet Food Review channel. Today I am going to present a Sri Lankan type local healthy breakfast meal. Aren't you subscribed channel? Subscribe and press bell icon. I also in channel Facebook and Instagram pages. Let's go to video.
Okay guys, now you see today my morning breakfast meal. It contain one main dish and three sub dishes. Main dish is white rice and sub dishes are first one is radish curry. This is soya meat devil, and this is potato devil. Oh, single mean is ala ala beduma. Okay, let's talk about taste of today meal. First we talk about taste of sub main dish. Main dish uh, taste is contain normal polysaccharide taste because rice contain starch polysaccharide. Let's talk about taste of sub dishes. First we talk about taste of radish. Radish contain normal spicy taste and spices tastes and have authentic radish vegetable taste. Vegetable or radish. This radish curry preparing we use radish stems. Therefore, radish curry contain authentic radish stems taste. Let's talk about uh, taste of taste in soya meat devil. It contain spicy taste, oily taste, and taste of using preparing these devil spices taste. We use spices as turmeric powder, chili powder, curry powder, and mustard seeds, garlic. Because of garlic, this dish get a best flavor to increase delicious of this dish. Let's talk about taste in potato devil. It contain polysaccharide taste and spicy taste and taste of using spices. Okay, let's talk about nutritional value in today meal. First, we talk about nutritional value in main dish. Main dish mainly contain carbohydrate. These are want to produce energy from cellular respiration in our body. Also, it contain few amount of plant fiber and vitamins. These plant fibers are want to keep good health in our gastrodigestive system in our body. Vitamins are want to keep good health in our body. Let's talk about nutritional value in radish curry. Mainly radish contain protein, vitamin and minerals and water content in radish parts that nutritions are want to keep good health in our body. Also, medicinal values contained in using using spices to prepare that curry. Let's talk about medicinal value one by one. When to prepare this curry, we use turmeric powder. It that turmeric powder have ability to germ killer. Then it help to protect our body from bad diseases. Curry powder contain local medicinal substances. These are keep to good health in our body. Curry leaves contain natural and phenolic compound that these are help to keep good health in our body. When to prepare this curry, we use coconut milk. Coconut milk contain good fats. Good fats. These fats are good for our health of heart. Okay, let's talk about nutrition value in soya meat. Devel male it contain protein. This protein keep good health in our body. Also below we discuss subdish use some spices to prepare it. These spices contain nutrition medicinal value contained in these soya meat devil. When to prepare soya meat devil, we use garlic. Garlic have essential volatile compound. These compound are need to keep good health in our body. We use mustard seeds and some flavor. These flavors are enhance delicious quality in this sub dish. We use curry leaves as previous. This contain curry leaves and rampe. That materials contain natural and phenolic compound. These are help to keep good health in our body. Let's talk about nutrition value in potato. Mainly potato contain polysaccharide because of starch. These are help to produce energy from cellular respiration in our body. Additionally, we use previous mentioned spices. Therefore, previous mentioned medicinal value contain these potato curry. Okay. Okay guys, I think you enjoyed today my morning breakfast food review. I am going to end today morning breakfast food review session. After watching today this video, don't forget like, share and comment, and don't and aren't to still subscribe and press bell icon. Also I am in my Facebook and Instagram Mom's Buffet pages. You can follow these pages and can be get a good experience about Sri Lankan local foods. Okay, I stop the video. I wish I wish to meet again you another session as soon as. Goodbye and have a nice day.
I am truly grateful to my fan base for joining my YouTube channel.